Welcome to channel. So guys, so first come to www.gigabyte.com. You can see this is officially website. After that, you just see here search button. You just click. After that, you enter your model number of your motherboard, Gigabyte B850 Eagle and Ice, and then hit enter. Then you can see here a product, and then click to title of here name. Then again go to this automatic to new tab. You can see this is your motherboard. Then click to support here. Select operating system which is using Windows 10 or 11. This is making a video for Windows 11, but if you are using Windows 10, so you can follow this method and you can install driver as a installation process same. Okay, so first you can see chipset driver, extract it. You can see AMD chipset driver. Just single click this download icon. You can see here it is downloaded started. Wait few seconds, it will complete. Just double click to open. I show you how to install this chipset driver. So guys, it is completed. Open, and this is, you can see this is extract tech chipset driver. So you can extract to a specific folder, otherwise you can just double click to open this. Okay, this is, you can install directly if you are facing some issues and facing some errors like that, so you can extract and then try to install. Then click to yes. Now you can see here the installations process fully open. Okay, this is used and this is install it. Okay, and then closed.